Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the logo in header in WordPress. So firstly open your browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. Then after that just simply hover over appearance and click on customize. Now in customize just simply go to site identity over here. Then click on select logo. Now if you don't have a logo, you can just simply upload a logo by clicking on select file. Then click on the file, then choose the logo. Now after the logo has been uploaded, if you want to make any changes to that logo, just simply click on that logo, then click on select. Then if you want to crop the logo, you can just simply crop that logo, or if you want to skip the entire part, you can just simply click on skip cropping. But I want to crop it, so I will just simply crop the logo quickly. So after you have done cropping, just simply click on crop image. Now after that, the image should have appeared. So in order to actually save the change, just simply click on save changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.